Okay, you know what the sound of that is? We got the F-150 back. It turns out that the issue was a mouse chewed up the harness. Ah, it's so nice to have this back. Oh yes. Oh, that roush sounds so good. Okay. Let me just get set up here. So, after an insurance claim that got the truck fixed, I just had to pay my deductible. Now we've got the truck back, and now we got two trucks. Oh god, it sounds so good. They fucked with my seating so badly. Holy cow, this is a whole different feeling truck compared to the Silverado. Oh my god, the brakes are so much better in this than the Silverado. God, it's loud. Oh yeah, that sounds so good. Oh yeah, those Nittos sound nice too. Since I had the battery disconnected, I'm sure that's all my stuff is in kilometers now, so 42 point whatever kilometers. I'm not sure what that equates out to gas mileage, probably 13, 14 miles per gallon. That's usually what this truck gets. Oh, it's so nice to have this back. It feels great. I like that Silverado a lot, but I'll tell you what, this truck is so nice to drive. So pleasant. Except for the exhaust. The exhaust is kind of loud, as you guys can probably hear. Oh, but it sounds awesome. Oh, Jesus, that is so good. I'm so glad I put the Roush kit on this truck. Video clip real short and sweet. Drives good. It's nice how it starts all over again. In that video I had where I was trying to figure out what was wrong with it, I mean, the day before I literally just started it by the remote start, and all it would do is honk the second time and not crank over, so I didn't know what the hell to think. Never even had a thought that perhaps like a mouse would have even gotten in the harness. I thought I had my garage a lot better off as far as baiting it and such, but apparently not. So I baited the hell out of it now, so I'd like to see a mouse get in there and get out of here alive now. So alright, well, either way, F-150's back and it feels great. God, I love my tow mirrors. I gotta get tow mirrors on that Silverado because you can see everything and it is great. It's so good. I'll do one more pull since I got a guy here turning. 3, 2, 1, go. Slow down now due to the speed zone. Now, see you guys later on. Have a good day, everybody.